guys, actually papatanghali na and nag-aantay na lang kami na dumating yung papa niya at yung stepmom niya maya-maya kasi bibisita sila. And ayan yung dalawa nagpapump ng swim bath. Ayan, para kay Savi. Pero ayun na nga, nag-aantay lang kami ng na dumating yung papa niya. Tapos mga 1.5 hours lang sila kasi pagkatapos nila dito, pupunta sila sa kapatid naman niya. Tapos kami naman, ayan, alam nyo naman, ang family Laagan. So, maglalakwatsa, magbabike kami papunta ng lake. So, yan yung banding namin. And, ayun, if nakikita nyo, ayan palagi yung ginagawa namin, lalo na pag maaraw dito sa Netherlands. Kaya lang guys, wala akong masyadong vlog ng pagpunta ng papa niya dito kasi hindi nga nila alam na nag-vlog ako. Kaloka. So, medyo siguro kasi after namin kumain, maglalakad kami sa labas. So, baka ako ng video na nakatalikod sila. So, yun lang guys. Yung mga patikim. Malay mo in the future, ayan, kasali na sila sa mga vlogs ko.
A few moments later.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love.
Oh my gosh, she likes it.
Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know.
Doe het dan maar even samen. Zijn we wat ouder.
There is so much love.
Hello guys! Good afternoon! Ayan. Actually, kakauwi lang nung father ni Wibe at ng stepmom niya. So, may mga dala silang ayan, laruan ni Savi. Sana yung iba. Ito. Tadaan! At ito, bigay din to ng kasi alam nilang mahilig kami sa chocolate. Tapos si Savi, ayun guys. Yung bike niya. Ayan, nilalaro niya. So, okay naman yung visit nila. Masaya. And dito kami nag-lunch, guys. And alam nyo ba, guys? Dito kasi, pag magkikita-kita yung family, may 3 beso-beso. 1, 2, 3. Kung ilang member ng family is sila, 'di ba? Pati mga anak ng kapatid niya, ganun. As in, guys, nakakahilo yung beso-beso nila. Tapos ngayon, yung stepmom niya, kasi taga France yung stepmom niya, 4 pala dun yung beso-beso. Beso-beso-beso-beso. So, 4 dapat. Kaya lang, dahil sa coronavirus na to, so walang beso-besong naganap. Wala ding shake hand. Ano lang, kasi 'di ba alam naman natin na, ayan, ini-implement dapat natin yung social distancing pa rin. And ayun. Tapos ngayon, kaalis lang nung dad niya, pati ng stepmom niya, nagkukumahog itong si Wibe na umalis na naman. Pumunta na naman kami ng lake, guys. So ayan. Ayan, mangingitim na naman si Inday. So ayun, nag-ano na siya ng bag, oh. Andun yung bag niya. Sariling sikap si Sabi. Ayan yung binigay na bike sa kanya ni Oma and Opa.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! Ayan, gaya nga sinabi ko kanina, nakikigala na naman tong isa. So, ito yung matagal ko ng tanggap na laagan ng usa. So, dapat maging laagan din ako. Laagan, maging gala. Kasi sa Pinas guys, more on, ako kasi, homebody. So, medyo ito yung naging malaking adjustment ko nung pagpunta ko dito. Kasi every time na may sun guys, nakikilabas talaga tong isa. Biking, walking, labas yung caravan, bibili ng tent. So, yung mga ganun.
Are those police?
Ja. Problems.
Hello guys! Ayan, nandito na kami. Si Savi, tumutulong magbuhat ng tuwalya. So, na lake na naman. Malapit lang to sa Breda lang to na lake guys. So, nagbike kami mga 30 minutes siguro. Come here. Can you give it to mama? You give it to mama? Nay? Ayaw niya ibigay.
A few moments later.
Uwi na kami. And ayan, sila lang yung naligo as usual. Ang lamig kasi ng tubig. Ayan mga inday, pauwi na kami. And hindi na ako nag-effort mag-video sa tubig kasi ang lamig. Nilalamig ako, so sila lang dalawa. And ayan, magkasundo yung dalawang yan pagtubig dito. So, diyan nakaparada yung bike namin. Tingnan niyo si Bulilit, pasaway na.
Relax. Boy.
Yay!
2,000 years later.
Actually, 8:30 na ng gabi dito sa Netherlands. Ngayon, may challenge itong si Inday yan sa amin ni Inday Ikat na banana challenge, eating without hands.
Val and Inday Ikat, I challenge you to do this challenge, banana challenge, and beat our time, 2 minutes and 8 seconds.
Hindi ko alam if papayag tong isa. May banana kasi na kami. Ayan, kumuha na ako ng isa. Ayan, hugasan ko to kasi nga, hindi namin to babalatan. So, babalatan lang namin through bibig. Ngayon, hindi ko alam if papayag yung isa. Tatext ata yung mama niya. Ayan. Sabi ko nga kay Yen, sasabihin ko, may price siya. So, ayan, may naisip ako na, na ipaprice sa kanya. Love. Remember the other day I told you about the challenge? So, we're gonna do it now.
Mijn moeder, hè? Ja.
Ayan, katext niya yung mama niya. And according to the rule, we're just gonna eat this without our hands. It's just up to us how we will...
Eat?
Yeah, of course, we will peel it.
Okay.
And no hands involved. So it's just our mouth. And yeah. Are you fine with it?
Yeah.
Ay, salamat. So hindi siya maanong kausap. Sabihin ko pa naman sana na may free massage at happy ending. Charot ka, joke.
No, that's a joke. They will not like it.
No, it's a joke. They're open-minded. So, I'm just gonna
And we
wash
can hold
this
it in
first.
our hands already?
No, we're just gonna put it here, maybe. Hindi ko alam, wala kasi kaming kagaya ng kinayen. And then, I'll just gonna wash this one. So, it's clean. So, guys, ito lang yung ko na paraan para panglagay dito. Kesa naman, di ba, nakapatong lang siya sa table. So, naglagay ako na para ma-elevate siya dito. Ngayon, so, what are we going to do? Do you have some strategy? Actually, hindi namin alam.
I
And,
bite it here, you peel. Because
okay.
you're good in peeling.
What's so good in peeling? May laman na naman niya.
It's just compliment. You're good in peeling.
Peeling. What did I peel?
Well,
Wala, talo. Nawalan ng reason.
yeah, but I stay polite. I know the watches.
Okay. Guys, mag-start na kami before
How many was the
before
records?
mawalan to ng we
What's
don't
the-
know.
Oh.
We don't know Ikat's record. We don't know Ian's record. Wait. Timer starts now.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? It feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know.
No.
Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me
done?
Ah.
I think we have the record. we win the prize.
Guys,
1 kilo, 1
53
kilo.
seconds.
The prize, 1 kilo bananas.
Is it 53 seconds? 53 seconds. What's the prize?
No
But
one
we don't
can
know.
beat us.
Family ritual. So,
I can watch television now.
ganyan siya palagi, guys. So, ayun guys, I hope
My neck.
baka may
Injury.
kiki pa ako. I hope you like our video for today. Thank you, Inday Yen, sa challenge na ibinigay mo sa amin ni Inday Ikat. And, ayan, hindi namin alam ano pa yung susunod na challenge ng Inday Squad ng
When
Netherlands.
you're almost 50, you get 10 seconds off. Yeah.
Nagreklamo na siya. Patay ka, Inday Yen, sumakit ang leeg niya. Naku, patulog na sana kami, nakapambahay na ako. Oh, naglagay lang ako nito para hindi halata. So, thank you for watching our video. Till next time, it's Family Ritz Magan. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel
Yeah,
and
you
hit
want
the
some yogurt?
notification bell.
Yeah.
Bye!